Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to create an e-commerce website with Canva. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you want to do is to log into your Canva account. If you don't have one, navigate to canva.com and create your free account. Well, to create an e-commerce website in Canva, I'll navigate into the template option and look for a template that is suitable for a website. The other alternative is to navigate the top search area and type in directly e-commerce website. Now from the drop-down menu, I'll select e-commerce. Now Canva will showcase all the available options of creating a website within itself. Depending on the type of your website, you can get a template that suits your needs. Well, I have the catalog kind of website, I have the only homepage website, and many others. If I need a single page or an application website, all of them are available here. Remember, we are not creating the code of the website. However, we are designing the website so that the web designer can use that interface to create code. So in this case, I will choose product catalog template. I'll select by clicking on it, and on the pop-up window that shows up, I'll select customize this template. Well, Canva will open the template in design mode. Here, you have the ability to manipulate all the elements within the different pages that exist. If you still feel that this template was not the right that you had chosen, navigate to the left panel templates option from the design tool and navigate to select any other template of your choice. I will stick to this. So if I scroll down, you'll see that I have 1 out of 6 pages. So I have 6 pages for my website. And in this case, I'm treating my very first page as the index page. Notice that I have the ability to manipulate every element inside here as an independent entity. For example, if I want to change this route with ease, by just simply double clicking the option, I have the ability to type in any other text of my choice. Notice the buttons that are existing down here. If I click on them, I have the ability to manipulate, including changing color if I don't like that specific color, to any other color of my choice. Let's see orange. If I don't like the photo of the individuals that are appearing in here, then I'll navigate into my upload section and upload my photo of choice. In this case, depending on the products I'm trying to promote, I will choose one image that fits my style. Let's assume I need the sunset. I'll click and drag drop into the specific holder so that Canva is able to crop the highlights to fit exactly what existed in that space. I can go on and edit all the other pages to fit my style, from the images to the descriptions to some of the icon designs that are available. Once this is done and everything looks sweet as I would like it, it's time for me to share this with my designer. Well, to do that, I'll navigate into the share option and select download. In the download area, I am prompted either I want to download as a PNG, PDF, and many other options. Since I'm sharing this as a document to my designer, I will select the PDF print and I'll allow it to print all the pages under the all printed pages. I'll then click on download and it's done. Well, that is how we create an e-commerce website with Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.